In this video, I will show you how to edit Dark Moody filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to light. -0.25 for exposure. Contrast to +10. Highlights to -60. Shadows to +80. White to +50. And black to -20. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to +10. Tint to +6. -10 for vibrance. And saturation to -15. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to -10. Next go to orange. Hue to -15. Saturation to -25. And luminance to +35. Next go to yellow. Saturation to -50. And luminance to +35. Next go to green. Hue to +50. Saturation to -70. And luminance to -18. Next go to blue. Hue to -10. Saturation to -60. Next go to purple. Saturation to -40. And next go to magenta. Saturation to -40. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +25. Dehaze to +15. Vignette to -15. midpoint to 0, and feather to 75. Go to split tone. Bring hue to 210 and saturation to 10 of shadows. And balance to plus 35. And done. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password. That appears in the upper right corner as a card. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.